Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Sai Vanapalli. This is a recreation of Ankita Srivastava's Dark Mattes makeup tutorial. I hope you will all like this video. Let's get started. Moisturize your face before you start with the makeup. For foundation, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me foundation and the shade is 230. In order to blend the foundation, I'm using a beauty blender. So you can dab the foundation on your face and you can apply it. So this is of a medium coverage, it is not of a high coverage, and it really blends into the skin very well. And if you look at the video, you get to know. And this is a very good color as well. I mean, I got the right shade, I can say. 230 is my shade, and you have so many shades in Maybelline Fit Me foundation. Ankita Srivastava first used a loose powder in order to apply it on the eye area before she started the eye makeup. So I'm following the same step. So I'm using the L'Oreal Matte Magic loose powder and I'm using the sponge in order to apply it on the eye. So I'm applying this to the entire eye area before I start my eye makeup. Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palette. I'm using a very light nude color for the eyeshadow base. I'm taking the product using a fluffy brush. As shown in the video, I'm applying the eyeshadow to the entire eye area. I'm just following Ankita Srivastava's steps in order to try to get her look. And I'm not an expert to do the eyeshadow makeup, but I just tried out of passion. And I hope you all will like this video. There's nothing to offend or imitate her makeup. Makeup Revolution Newtrals palette. The next color that she used is a little light brown. The next shade which I took is a little light brown, and this goes above the crease area and on the crease area. I'm using the same fluffy brush, and you can also try using the same brush in order to apply this on the crease area. All the colors are mostly neutral browns and dark browns that she has used in this video. So I've used the same colors. I tried to get the same colors. Super excited. This is my new Morphe palette that I purchased from the US. And I have a different video for the US cosmetics. I'm gonna upload it very soon. So the dark shade of brown. Grayish dark brown. Mixing both the colors, I'm trying to apply it with a fluffy brush, and Ankita Srivastava also did the same. I mean, she used the colors mixing both the dark and the light brown shades. So I've done the same thing. I'm telling you guys once again, this is just an inspired video that I'm trying to do. There's nothing to offend or nothing to comment or nothing to imitate her at all. In order to highlight the brow bone area, I'm using a very flat brush and I'm taking a very light neutral color, a nude color I can say. Just to give that little touch up under the eye area, I'm using a fluffy brush and using the dark brown color and applying it under the eye area. Once I'm done with my eye makeup, now I'm using the concealer. I'm using the Maybelline Dream Lumi Highlighter Concealer, and since the eyeshadow is very dark, I wanted to conceal my eyes very well. That's the reason I'm using excess concealer in this video. And this concealer is very reasonable and affordable as well. I think it's around 450 bucks. You can blend the concealer using the fingers alone or a beauty blender, the way I'm showing it in the video. So beauty blender is useful, pretty useful I can say, in order to blend the makeup. I mostly use the beauty blenders rather than using brushes. I feel comfortable using the beauty blenders. In order to set the foundation and the concealer, as usual, this is a very basic thing that I do, and also many of the YouTubers keep doing the same. I'm using the loose powder and I'm using L'Oreal Matte Magic Loose Powder. This gives a perfect matte finishing. Once I'm done with my loose powder, I wanted to give that little touch up. So that's the reason I'm using a very thin brush in order to give that small touch up using the same dark brown color. So you can use a thin brush because it will not make you get that fallout at all, and if there is any fallout, just in case, you can remove the fallout as well. I'm using a liquid eyeliner that is NY Bay brand. Ankita Srivastava had used a liquid eyeliner in order to do her eye makeup. She has done a winged eye makeup and I'm doing the same as well. So most of us might like the winged eyeliner, and I mostly prefer winged eyeliner. I'm just a very huge fan of this makeup because winged eyeliner will give that little dramatic look, and I love these dramatic looks. These are very good for festive looks as well, and go very well, pretty well with western look or traditional makeup as well. I'm done with my eyeliner. For mascara, I'm using Maybelline mascara, and first I'm doing my upper lashes and then I would be doing the lower lashes. And if you would like to curl the lashes before you apply the mascara, you can do that. At present, I don't have a curler and I'm not using any falsies because I would not like to apply any glue, and I hardly or very rarely I use falsies, and many of us might not like to use the falsies every time. For blush, I'm using the Savannah blush palette, and this is a very coral pink shade and a coral nude shade actually. I'm using a brush, a fluffy brush a big fluffy brush in order to apply the blush. Whenever you smile, you can actually pat the product exactly where you need it. So this is a little trick I can tell you. I'm using a Nicka highlighter palette and I'm taking a fan brush. For highlighting the cheekbones, I'm using a fan brush, and you can also use the same brush. And I'm going to apply to the nose area and also to the T-zone and the cupid area. Highlighting gives a very good makeup look. I like highlighters a lot. This is a lip contour set that I've got in a subscription box. Ankita Srivastava had first used a lip liner in order to fill her lips, and it was a very dark shade, and I tried to get this dark plum shade. I've got this lip liner in a subscription box that is Glamigo, and this lip contour pencil is really very smooth. With just one swatch, I'm getting a lot of product on my lips. I just love the way it is being applied on the lips, and this is very smooth as well. I just love the product, and this color is a very dark plum shade. I'm almost done with the makeup. Ankita Srivastava first applied the lip liner and just left it like that, but then she used a gloss or a soft matte liquid lipstick. I've tried to get this look with the Miss Claire soft matte liquid lipstick. This is also the similar plum shade. I hope you all like this video and you can also try this look, and do share your comments, your valuable feedback in the comment section. Please do share your comments and like my video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much, people. Bye.